The Quechua people are the largest ethnic group in South America. They inhabit large areas of Peru, Ecuador, Bolivia, Chile, and Argentina, living mostly in the Andes Mountains. The Quechua are descendants of the great Inca Empire conquered by the Spanish conquistadores in the 15th century. As a result of European contact and conquest, the Incas or Quechua-speaking peoples often died of infectious disease, famine, genocide, human exploitation, and slavery. The Quechua people remain the largest ethnic group in Peru with over 10 million speakers of the Runa Simi language, yet they continue to struggle today.
La historia cuenta, si tomamos desde el tiempo de los incas han sido engañados por los españoles. Y cuando España llega al Perú, toman a todos los quechuas, a los descendientes de los incas, como sus esclavos. Y así, ¿no? Se mantiene inservible, en bajo. Ni siquiera el gobierno se interesa de los quechuas.
The lives of the Quechuas is very hard. During the 80s, they had a big problem with the terrorists. On one side, they were being forced to join them, to help them in different ways. And on the other side, they had the military killing them for helping that terrorist. Nowadays, they are very poor, most of them. They live only from their farms. They don't have many chances to higher education. Most of the women, they just stay at home. They don't get to go to school. And the men, when they finish elementary school, they go back to the farms.
Runa Simi was founded in 1983 to support the Quechua churches with the tools and discipleship needed to reach their people. Romulo Saune, the founder of Runa Simi, worked with translation teams for many years so that his people may have the Word of God in their own tongue. After the Bible was translated in 1987, Romulo knew it would be the responsibility of the Quechua to promote the scriptures throughout the Quechua world.
Yo soy quechua. Mi papá fue quechua. Mi mamá, mis familias son quechuas. Yo hasta la edad de 7 años hablaba solo quechua. Es por eso que yo amo al quechua, porque soy quechua, entiendo su necesidad.
The vision of Runa Simi is the same today as it was in 1983 when Romulo Saune founded the organization to reach the people groups of Peru with the Word of God in their own tongues.
Runa Simi's vision is to reach the village that is far away, the village that no one else is reaching or helping. We want to go there with the Word of God in their own language.
Runa Simi da estudios en quechua, su material está en quechua y va a las comunidades donde viven los quechuas.
The Quechuas, they need to get to know Christ because they need to know that they are not alone. They're in the high mountains and that there is a big plan that Jesus has for their lives and that they will be with Jesus in eternity. In heaven, there is a better plan for their lives.
Mi deseo es de que el pueblo quechua sea considerado de todas las iglesias cristianas, respetando su cultura. Por ejemplo, me da mucha pena ahora cuando el gobierno mismo no promueve la cultura quechua, que ellos quieren desaparecer el idioma, el vestimenta, las costumbres. Y creo que Dios no quiere eso. Entonces, nuestro sueño es de que el pueblo quechua sea considerado en su cultura.
Runa Simi has 4 main programs: translation, communications, literacy, and discipleship.
The translation program is always working on new materials and translating materials that are only available in Spanish. The communications area is working on training more people on how to make radio programs so they can reach many communities in their radio stations. Literacy is working on teaching mostly women how to read and write. And discipleship is working on training new leaders for the churches.